See, which one of the following books of ancient Indian history as the love story of the son of the founder of Sunga dynasty? The last ruler of Mauryan dynasty, Brihadrita, was assassinated by Pushyamitra Sunga, Pushyamitra Sunga, and he started Sunga dynasty. Pushyamitra Sunga, and he started Sunga dynasty. Founder of Sunga dynasty. Yeah, and founder of Sunga dynasty was Pushyamitra Sunga, and his son Agnimitra. So Agnimitra and Malavika, and there was a love story between the Agnimitra and Malavika. Agnimitra was the son of Pushyamitra Sunga, and this love story was written by Kalidasa in the time of 4th century AD. That is called as Malavika Agnimitra. Malavika Agnimitra. Malavika and Agnimitra. Malavika Agnimitra. And the Malavika Agnimitra was a drama of Kalidasa. It's a Sanskrit drama. Yes, which reveals about the romantic love story between Agnimitra and Malavika. And one point you have to remember, Agnimitra was a son of Pushyamitra Sunga, and he was founder of the Sunga dynasty. Your answer is C, Malavika Agnimitra, which are written by Kalidasa.